Wala kayo dyan. Pero naman kayo magreklamo. Ba't hindi naman kayo nagreklamo? So, look. Yun na. Hello. It's it. Thank you, Tatam. Thank you for thumbs up. Hello. It's it. Hi. Are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Hello, John Ricks. Thanks for the thumbs up. Hello, everyone. How are you today? How are you today? No, with a lot of heart. Thank you. With a lot of hearts. Hi, viewers. Hello. For viewers. Thank you for the love. Who's loving? Who's doing that? Who's doing a love? A heart, I mean. What? Why restricted? Huh? Message restricted? Why? Why the message of Janrick Mayor is restricted? Did you say something wrong? This is Madam. This is Madam. Hello, John Paul Verano. Hi, Mom. Hello, how are you today? This is Madam. This is Madam. Who is Madam? Hello to all my 14 viewers. Thank you for thumbs. What is it, Mom? Oh, hello. What it is, Mom? Hello to you. What is this, Mom? Where are you from? John Paul Verano. Jandrex Contamayor. Is that sounds like a Filipino? Or it is somewhere in other country or whatever? Is that? Ay, Kamsur po. Ah, taga Kamsur. Hello to you. John Paul Verano. Sounds ano nga? Filipino. Yes, OFW. Ay, may message pa. Ba't hindi ko nakita? I'm in the Philippines. I'm in the Philippines. Ah, taga Philippines. Hello, shoutout sa mga Pilipino. Be careful there, ma'am. Anong taon ka na ba? Ba't ang very, ano mo naman, very polite. You're very polite today. You are very polite to me. Be careful there, ma'am. How old are you na ba? Don't be concerned. Don't be concerned. Why not? Why not? Pengagoran, hello. Where are you from, Pengagoran? Also, what were you eating? Wow, English. Oh my God, nosebleed ang aking ilong. I'm eating a croissant. Croissant? And a spaghetti. I mean, not a spaghetti, but kind of spaghetti. Like spicy spaghetti. What place did you go to, Mom? Look, I'm eating a spaghetti without anything. Wow. Oh, this one I'm eating. Look, this one. See, still hot. Yes, but it's not like a spaghetti that we have there in Philippines. Ah, sabi niya, where? Indonesian! Hello! Bengagong! Shout out from Indonesian! How are you? I don't know how to speak Indonesian, but... me, I'm here in the Netherlands. Where are you from in the Philippines, Mom? Oi! Good, how are you? Good, how are you? You mean I'm from Bicol. We are same. Bicol region. Pinga, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you? How are you? Pinggangurang. Are you also a blogger or something? 64 subscribers. Okay. Taga Kamsur ka man na John Paul. Taga Kamsur ka? Taga Kamsur. Saan ka sa Kamsur? Where are you in Kamsur? Camarinesor? It's at Camarinesor? Camarinesor? Bicol? Are you Oregon? Are you Oregon? Huwag nga ako i-English. John Paul Verano. Nasaan ka pala? Are you in the Philippines or are you in the other country or... Load tayo ng Encantadia. Hello for viewers! How are you today? Alone. John Rick, come to Mayor, Philippines. Saan ka sa Philippines? Where are you in the Philippines? Where are you from in the Philippines? Which place do you live? Oh, English. Nawala na si John Paul Verano. Tinatanong ko kung saan sa Bicol. Hindi naman siya inasagot. Ay, ane. Sorry guys, I have a little bit sipon-sipon. Thank you for 3 thumbs up and 2 people there in the house. How are you today? How are you today? Pardon. Baan man to si oy. Sumayaw-sayaw pa pala na niya. Ha? Ano yan? Bangged Abra, Zone 6, Eleanor, Pansitan. Grabe ka naman. Ay ko. Sinabi mo lahat talaga. As in, hi! Siyang Gabriel Binasoy. Do you remember me? Yes, of course I remember you. Your face in your Facebook and YouTube. The one who's making joke always. Alam mo, generate. You don't have to say the exact location you are. Otherwise, people cannot... if you're really saying the truth, they can trace you. Yay! Yes, of course, I remember you. Yay! Ilang taong ka na ba? How old are you then? Maybe you are younger. Maybe that's why you say... Tagal naman na itong Encantadia na to. Siyang gabi na soy 9 years old ka pa lang, bebe. Ba't ka nang bebe? Nag-YouTube. Are you allowed to do YouTube? I'm 9. What? 9? Are you sure? While my viewers are younger. Hello everyone. Hello there sa may younger viewers ko dyan. 9 years old. Bagay, pwede naman na rin. Diba always making jokes si Siyang Gabriel Binasoy. He's always making a joke when he come here to my live stream. I'm back again. Hi, I'm back again. See, do you remember me? Yes, of course I remember you with your picture. 17 viewers in the house. Hello. Don't forget to thumbs up. I will be 10 in July 27. Uy. Oh, that's nice. Ilang taon na, ilang buwan na lang. May birthday mo na. Happy birthday in advance.
Flowers for you, Bressie.
Flowers for you.
Tsaka lagi siyang may tinga sa ngipin. Hindi ko matagalan.
Ano na ngayon si Frankie?
Si Gabriel Benasay, bye. Okay, bye-bye. Where are you going? Are you gonna
Hindi
sleep?
lang milyonaryo, bilyonaryo. Naalala mo si Wilson? Hi, Presty. I miss you. Inaasa-asa mo, tapos sinasad mo. Kaya yun, nagpakamatay.
Hindi naman talaga nagpakamatay, Tay. Hindi naman talaga nadedong.
Dapat na. Nagpasalamat siya sa kay Presty dahil kung hindi sa anak mo, hindi siya naging congressman. Pero ano? Sinong pinili mong
Bye.
Sinong pinili mong kabaliwan at pakasalan?
Are you okay?
What are you watching? I'm watching a Wedding Tayo, Wedding Hindi. By Tony Gonzaga and Eugene Domingo.
Sa dinami-dami ng lalaki sa mundong ito, ang pinatulan mo, hari ng mga batukan! Dahil laki-laki ng katawan, walang silbi sa mundo!
Tatay, ano naman magagawa ko? I was young then, and innocent, and I was pure, and I was in love. Ben,
Habang viewers.
baka naman, ngayon na, nakuha mo na ang gusto mo sa akin. Hindi mo na ako re-respetuhin.
Tulong mo tayo.
Thank you po.
Hello,
Ate,
Janine. Ano nangyari? Bakit ka tumawag?
magandang balita ako. Uuwi na si Belay sa darating na Sabado. Aba, 3 taon ding hindi nakakauwi mula Japan yun.
Sabihin mo na rin kung bakit ka tumawag. Sige na.
Ate, napatawag kasi ako dahil ikakasal na si Belay.
Si Belay? Kanino siya pakakasal?
Eh di dun sa boyfriend niya. Siya lang naman naging boyfriend ni Belay, hindi ba?
Yung dati niyang boyfriend?
Yung lampang teacher.
Buhay pa ba yun?
Bakit nagulat ka? Di ba nabanggit ko naman sa'yo na uuwi si Belay?
Oka, sa palagay mo ba makakalimutan kong balitang kasing importante ng pag-uwi ni Belay? Eh, sino bang nakakaalam ng nangyayari sa buhay ni Belay? Di ba ako?
Belay? Kiss ka naman niya? Nakakadiri ka ng swerte mo?
Alam ko naman na ikaw ang pinaka-close na kaibigan ni Belay.
What are you watching? Tamad. I'm back. You're back. Welcome back. I'm back. Welcome back. you remember me? How can I remember you? Why not I'm not remembering you? Masarap naman ito. Parang medyo, overcook. Overcook. Sakat ng ano ko. Kakalaga. Tapos na siya. Bilis yan, eh. Ay! I'm back. Shit. Ow. Oh, on. Wait. My God. Okay, January 2002. I'm back. Ano yan? 2000. Okay. User, I'm back. User, hello. Let's take our time tonight. About the oldest one. There's nowhere to show it all. There's no reason to hide. Ano pangalan ni Papa niya? Do you want some sandals and sailing? I'm sailing. Sandals? No, thank you. But that's too far here. Do you want some sandals? I'm sailing. Nako, bebe. Ang layo-layo mo naman, bebe. Paano ko naman yun makukuha, bebe? Hindi ko naman yan makuha, be. Okay. Tama ba? Sakit ang ulo ko. Ay, sumasakit ang ulo ko. Ay. Ay. Okay. Ba dito? Single. Da, 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 da. Filipino. Philippines return. Metro Manila. City. Ano ba city na ito? Kainis ah. Luzon. Okay. Nope. I think nasa Central Luzon siya. Ito yung father niya. December. July 30. July 30. '66. Mother. December 30. Oh. Okay, next. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ay, nako. Ay, nako.